we'll guide you through how to review ClickUp effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar where you see the Spaces section. Click on the space you want to review. Within your chosen space, you'll find several options such as tasks, docs, goals, and dashboards. To get a comprehensive overview, start with dashboards. Click on Dashboards to view existing ones or create a new dashboard by clicking New Dashboard at the top right. Dashboards allow you to visualize your project data with widgets like task lists, charts, and time tracking, giving you insights into project progress and team performance. Next, move to the Tasks view within your space. Here, you can review individual tasks, check their statuses, deadlines, and assignees. Click on any task to open it and see detailed information. You can also leave comments for your team or update task statuses right there. Don't forget to check the Goals section if you're using it. This section helps you track the progress of larger initiatives or objectives. Click on Goals to see current goals and their completion rates. You can manually update progress or link tasks to goals for automatic updates. Finally, explore the Reporting feature by clicking on the Reporting option in the sidebar. This area provides various reports that offer insights into team performance and productivity. You can customize reports based on your needs and even export them for sharing with stakeholders. Reviewing these elements will give you a thorough understanding of your team's workload and project status. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.